Hello, welcome back once again. And today I'm going to show you how to selecting data and viewing data with Pandas. So let's go straight to the point. So here I've already imported Pandas SPD and I've already imported our data. So the next thing, let's see on how to check our data if it's good. So employee dot head, let me just use that. Yeah, we can see that's working, and you can also change here to be employee.tail, which will show us our last column of our data, and that's it. So I want to teach you something dealing with iLog and nlog, and let's see the difference. Let's say we have a certain data set. Let's say it's just name our data set something like animals, and then this is a series, so it's gonna be PD series. Then let's enter our data here. So the first one may be something like cat, then then let's say the second one is dog, and then the third one is the third one. The third one is gonna be something like what animal? Let's just say bird, right? Okay. And then so what I'm gonna do is let me give an index to this data set here. Index. It's gonna be, let's say, an index. So it's gonna be 0. The first one will be 0. Let's say the second one is gonna be 3, and the third one is gonna be 9. So let me show. Okay, so let me show you the difference between iLog and log. So animals dot log index 3. So it's here index 3. Let's view this dog. You can see here what we assigned index 3 was dog. And see, let's see the difference between this and the iLog. And the iLog. iLog. iLog, let's keep 2. It's 2, right? No, sorry, it's gonna be this way. Forgot that. So yeah. So we can see this one is bad and dog. So iLog, it gives us an index of 2. This one is 0, 1, 2. So it's gonna be 0, 1, and 2. See, this one is bad. And then so that's how we know the difference between iLog and iLog refers to the position, while the log refers to the index position, to the index. So that's the difference between iLog and log. So next next I'm going to show you we can use other factors like employee dot describe away gives us information about the description of our data, and then we can also perform other mathematical expression like employee dot. We can here we have two options. We can either, let's say we have this variable here age in our data set, so you can either use this. You can either start by naming dot then age to then sum of this function, which is gonna give us the sum, or we can either do it this way: then employee then age 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 dot sum of this function. But I want you to note one thing here. We can use this when there is either a space or a dot in a variable name here. Let's just take for example this. So this one is gonna be, let's copy this. Let me try replacing this here. You can see. Let's see if it works. You see, this is a problem. So in cases like this, what happens when you have cases like this? You have to use this. I told you, you have to use this. Then wait, let's see. Yep, we can see now it works. That's one thing. And then the other thing in a data set, we can use the ilog, just like just display employee dot ilog. Then we can pass the first three in our data set. You see, if we have the past three in our data, that's 0, 1, and 2. And then we can also do for age and others too. And then we can also perform other mathematical expression. Let's say I want us to display a data where gender is equals to females, right? In our data set. So we're gonna do this. Employee, then employee where gender here. That's where gender is equals to female. And what was from our data set here is equals to female F. We got F now. And we can also add another additional. We want to display the first 6. So we're gonna do the first 6 that way. The first 6. You can see. Yeah. It only displays the data set where gender is equal to female. Another mathematical expression we can perform is, let's say we just want to display people where their annual salary is above 50,000, something like that. So we're gonna just copy this. But next time you have to keep on practicing. For this, you have to keep on typing our data in order to learn more and more. So here is gonna be annual salary. So annual salary here. Then I'm gonna delete this where annual salary is greater than annual salary is greater than 55,000. It's greater than, let's just say 55,000, right? Then so so it's greater than 55,000. It's greater than 55,000. So let's see what happens when I enter. You can see from here, it displays only those individuals with an annual salary of 55,000 and above, as you can see here. Yep. So that's it. Oh, another. Let's say we want to perform a cross tabulation in from our data set, and here we can categorize gender, and we can categorize another thing is the training level. So let's say we want to construct a cross tabulation table. So we use the pd dot cross tab cross tab. Then from our dataset employee, let's just use these. We can use this gender. Then another dataset was training level. We just gonna copy employee. Then the name of our dataset is gonna be training dot level. Training dot level. Yep, I think that's it. So let me try run this. Yep, you can see here there's a cross tabulation table. And then yep. So let's say we want to perform a mean of a certain variable here. Let's say the mean, the group by. We can say we can either group our data by gender or group our data with by another variable, let's say training level. So to group our data by, let's say, gender, we're gonna do this employee, employee, then group by, then group by, let's say we want to group by gender. Okay, so group by gender. So, and here's gonna be this, sorry, never took that, so let's run this. So we can see here it is grouped by gender. We have female and male. So we have grouped the mean of everything. We have grouped the mean of employee number, annual salary, age, and experience. That's it. And you can also perform other things like histogram, employee, let's say an histogram of age. Let's see, an histogram of, can also say that age. Then dot, can also say sum or employee. Let's copy this. As I told you, either of the two can work. You can either say that or use this other one here. Yeah. So this. So, oh, here is a dot. Sorry for that. Forgot that. So we have to do this way. Yeah, that's it. And as I was telling you can also perform an histogram using the same data, which is that is here. Yep. So that's it. Thank you so much, and we'll come back next time.